Alright lads, let's talk Kawasaki. This company's story begins in 1878 with Shozo Kawasaki. He started a shipbuilding yard in Tokyo. It was a bold move. Japan was just opening up to the world. Shozo saw the potential for a homegrown shipbuilding industry. In 1896, Kawasaki Heavy Industries was born. KHI quickly became a major player in shipbuilding. They weren't afraid to diversify. Kawasaki expanded into other heavy industries. If it was big, metal and needed building, Kawasaki was your go-to company. From these humble beginnings, Kawasaki was on its way to becoming a global giant. Now, let's talk about something a bit more exciting. Motorcycles. In 1954, Kawasaki entered the motorcycle game. They already had experience with engines and manufacturing. They injected serious adrenaline into the world. Their first motorcycles were small and practical, but Kawasaki had bigger plans. They wanted bikes that were fast, reliable, and fun to ride. In the 60s, they introduced the H1 Mach 3. This two-stroke screamer took the world by storm. It cemented Kawasaki's reputation as a serious manufacturer. Kawasaki wasn't done yet. They followed up with iconic bikes like the Z1, the GPZ 900R, and the Ninja. These bikes were technological marvels. Kawasaki pushed the boundaries of design and engineering, constantly innovating and improving their bikes. This dedication earned Kawasaki a legion of fans. And it wasn't just on the street, they were cleaning up on the racetrack too. More on that later. Hold on tight, because we're about to take to the skies. In the 1930s, Kawasaki took on a new challenge aircraft manufacturing. They started by building aircraft under license from German companies, but they quickly developed their own expertise. They were soon producing a wide range of aircraft, from fighters and bombers to trainers and transports. During World War II, Kawasaki played a significant role in Japan's war effort. They built thousands of aircraft for the Japanese military. But after the war, they shifted their focus to civilian aircraft. They became a major supplier of aircraft parts and components to companies like Boeing and Airbus. But Kawasaki never forgot its roots in defense. They continued to develop and manufacture aircraft for the Japanese self-defense forces. Today, Kawasaki is a leading supplier of military aircraft, helicopters, and simulators. They're involved in cutting-edge projects, like developing unmanned aerial vehicles. From shipbuilding to motorcycles to aircraft, Kawasaki has always been at the forefront of innovation. They're not afraid to take on big challenges, and they always strive to be the best at what they do. Section 4, moving the world. Kawasaki's transportation innovations. Now let's get back down to earth, shall we? While Kawasaki was busy conquering the skies, they were also revolutionizing the way we move around on the ground. Remember their early work on railways? Well, they never stopped innovating in that area. Kawasaki is a world leader in high-speed rail technology. They built the Shinkansen, Japan's iconic bullet train. This technological marvel can reach speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour. That's seriously rapid transit. But Kawasaki's expertise in transportation goes far beyond high-speed rail. They also build subway cars, light rail vehicles, and even those cool automated people movers you see at airports. They're involved in everything from designing efficient urban transit systems to building massive cargo ships. Basically, if it moves people or goods, Kawasaki probably had a hand in making it better. They're committed to finding sustainable and efficient transportation solutions, and they're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Section 5. Powering progress. Kawasaki's energy and environmental solutions. Now let's talk about something crucial. Energy. Kawasaki has been a major player in the energy sector for decades. They build power plants, gas turbines, and other essential equipment. But Kawasaki is also looking toward the future. They're investing heavily in renewable energy sources like wind and solar power. They're developing innovative technologies to make energy production cleaner and more efficient. But Kawasaki's commitment to the environment goes beyond just energy. They're also working on solutions for waste management, water treatment, and pollution control. They're committed to using their engineering expertise to create a more sustainable future. They understand that economic growth and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. So, whether it's building a high-tech power plant or developing a new method for recycling waste, Kawasaki is dedicated to making a positive impact. Section 6. Shaping the future: Kawasaki's enduring legacy. From humble beginnings in a Tokyo shipyard to a global industrial giant. A legacy of innovation and excellence spanning over a century, constantly seeking new challenges and opportunities. Investing in robotics, AI, and space exploration. Success isn't just about technology, it's about their people. Witness the legacy of a company pushing the boundaries of innovation.